Hello, Vanakkam, Namaste. So this is Atturai, and guess what? I am going to be hosting a food store in my college. So I am so tensed about it because I need to do a lot of things. And I've edited so many pretty things. I'll add you. See, I'll tell you, and I'm going to keep adding pictures. So the first one is the shop name. It's called Akka Idli Akka. So I have made up very pretty pics. Art, you could say, from Pinterest, a collage from Pinterest. I'll add that. And then I made a menu card which is so pretty. I've added all the recipes with not the recipes, the description of the food items, and the menu card is so pretty. And then I'm adding my Instagram ID, the QR, the payment stuffs, and all of that. And I'm going to the shop because I need to get these specific items, the plates and all of that. So I'll keep you guys updated. I thought that I should make more vlogs, and it's fun. So cut to the place where I get all of my stuffs printed and get my stuff. Bye. Hi again. So shift to home again. I did not record outside because it was crowded and I was like, it was so noisy. Okay. Cut. Now I printed all of my stuffs and I also got my plates and the extra, extra glasses and all of the things I'm going to serve. I'll show you guys what I got. Okay, so this is the plate I got. I'm going to be serving this. So I did not tell you guys what I'm going to be serving it. So I'll reveal it with the banner. I printed it out. And there's also another plate in case like if someone wants to get a specific item separately and like a bulk. In bulk also I could use this. And this one is for the drinks. Oh god. Yeah, that's my tripod, the sister tripod, which is my teddy bear. Just shifted a bit down. So this is my glasses. So these are the plates and stuff I got. Now I'm going to be showing you guys the big poster I printed. Isn't this so pretty? See, it's like this. I hope it's visible. Nice and clean. Okay, so this is the main poster. It is called Idli Akka. That is the shop name. Here is the Akka that represents me and the stuff, the name. And I also added my Instagram handle over here. So in case if someone wants the idea and all of that, you know, like it's how people promote their business. But I don't have a business, but it could be a good start. And look at the menu card. This is the best thing I ever did in a while. I have added so many details. You could see the pics. This is the girl with the pink saree, which is the saree I'm going to be wearing tomorrow. The Mavala, this is the idli chutney, sambar, adirsam, the dish I'm going to be serving. This is the Vishnu flower, Bharatanatyam hand with the lotus, Samandi, this is Malli, and these are roses, and this is the Panagam, another dish I'm going to be serving, and the temple, this is Tamil Nadu. And this looks so pretty. I am going to be sticking it in my wall after doing this. And this is a smaller menu cards, which I'll be giving it to the people to the hand, like to see it. I have a scanner of my payment, and I printed it out to stick the scanner on, but I feel like I could just keep the scanner ideally. And I have this one. I could write saste offers if I'm going to be writing like buy one get one free, or not buy one get one. I could be like I'm selling other stuff. I'll tell you guys the price because this would be a promotion and stuff. I like doing this. So see, I'm serving idli sambar for 25 rupees. I've even written a very good description. It is so pretty. I'm also serving panagam and others. So idli sambar, everyone knows what idli sambar is. And panagam is a jaggery based drink with cardamom, lemon and ginger ka powder. I love it. And adirsam is also very good. Amma makes the best adirsam. It is rice flour with jaggery fried with. So I'm going to be serving 2 pieces of idli and sambar for 25, and this 100 ml of panagam for 15, and a piece of adirsam for 5 rupees. So I'll be arranging it the way I want. Like, you know, if someone wants to get sirf adirsam, I'll be giving it on this plate, like 2 pieces together, because no one wants to get only 5 rupees. So I'll give 2 pieces of adirsam in this. And if the guest is coming to get, I'll put idli, sambar, adirsam, and I'll give them the panagam in this. So that is the plan for tomorrow's agenda. And I made this for offer, like, you know, 5 adirsam for 20 rather than 25, or 5 pieces of idli for 50 rupees, and you know, like 2 platters, if they're getting 2 platters for 80, I could even made it for 70, like, you know, attracting customer goals. And I've printed all of this, and even have this one, my Instagram handle. So if someone wants to scan my Instagram, they could go to 2 of my accounts, which is one, you know, like the popular ones. So that is it. I've been speaking for 4 minutes. I'll make sure I'll cut it out well. So I hope you guys liked this part, and I love the idli akka thing. She looks so pretty, and I edited it for the whole day. Now I'll be sticking it in my table tomorrow, and I'll be serving everything. And tomorrow is going to be such a pretty day, so I'll keep you guys updated. I'm sure, I don't know if I'll record myself in college, but I'll record after doing all of this stuff, and I'll add my clips. Like, you know, I'll ask people to record me serving and all of that. I'll keep it. That is it for now. Meet you guys tomorrow with all the fit. Hi guys, so now we are at the kitchen and I'm helping Amma doing all of this stuff, and I'm making panagam myself. So the ratio for panakam is that you take 1 cup of jaggery, that is vellam. I am taking like 1 full cup, and to this you add 4 to 5 cups of water and you mix it. So I am making like 2 cups, so it's going to be 10 cups. Oh my god, mixing till all of the jaggery is dissolved. You see, you have the bigger particles over here. I'll have to, you know, scramble it and dissolve it, and I have to add lemon juice, a bit of cardamom, a bit of, what is that? I forgot, ginger powder, and many more stuff like that would enhance the flavor. And our panakam is ready. This is so easy to make, and it tastes so heavenly, and it is preferred in the summer. Oh, I forgot to record it vertically. I mean horizontally. Now you have to keep up with the plot. So now you are supposed to add a bit of salt. Now I added it already. So like for the video purpose, let me add a pinch of salt. Yes. And then you're supposed to add elaichi powder. You're supposed to add dry ginger powder. A bit of everything. Iske baad the main character comes, that is the lemon. Lemon flavor in what do you call this? Jaggery. Jaggery is very addictive because the flavor is so, like, you know, this is so sweet, and you add a bit of salt thing in it and it becomes too what do you call it? Tasty. And that is why you also add salt, because when you add salt it brings out the sweetness. And I'm yapping a lot. I don't even know if I'm going to add all of this. They're going to go after 10 minutes, but it's a process. We're going to be together in this. So I'm cutting lemon. Amma, idu thayan lemon squeezer la appadi pannita konjundu the squeezer. That's 2 points of the lemon. Evlo full la ponna, and you're supposed to squeeze a half of the lemon. I'm going to squeeze almost the half, and I'm going to mix it together and taste it. If it needs a lot more, I'll be adding it. This is the third time over to make this, you know, fall. Yeah, the color is so pretty. I love this color. Now we have this a bit. I love it. Super aroma. Unna konja lemon punja unna nalla irukku. Kon tuli unnu pudira. I'm going to add a bit of lemon because it will add the flavor more. Enna podna? Karpooram. I'm adding a bit more lemon because it will incorporate the flavor more. And I'm also going to add another thing, that is pacha karpooram, that what you call camphor, which you eat, like it's an edible camphor. I'm adding almost the whole of this half, and this does not work, you know, like you have to squeeze it. I think there are so much more lemon left, so I'm gonna squeeze it myself. And yes, perfect. I'll mix it again. Oh, I just realized I have very low storage. I need to delete a lot of stuff. This is done. Perfection. I love this. Mama is making adirasam. Adirasam is basically, you know, it's made from rice flour. You heat up jaggery and you make a syrup out of jaggery, and you add rice flour to it, and you also add a bit of cardamom, and you find the perfect consistency. The consistency it is to knead it into a ball, and you flatten it out. After doing that, you're supposed to put it in hot oil, and it gets fried deep. And then you're supposed to make it a bit golden brown till that color. Now it's frying, and that's it. You take it out. So this video has cut, and today, so basically look at my fit. I wore a very pretty fit and I came to college, and this is my stall ka decoration. I'll show you guys in a while. This is my Instagram ID too, scanner, the menus and all of that. And hello. So hello, and मैं basically आज सब sales कर रही हूँ. This whole experience was it was overwhelming, but it was so fun because I served my food and I looked.
God, this is so good.
Did you guys listen to the reaction? Oh my god, very good customer. So now I'm
Italy tastes better.
So ये हमारा दुकान है and everything has been done smoothly. The only drawback is that I bought so much adirasam, so like this much is remaining and this much idli is remaining, and you have this much sambar, and panakam is also remaining, like a whole pocket. So I'll make it up and I'll take it home either way, so that's not a problem. So hi, I have sold everything. I have to calculate the total profit, and now I have to change my clothes because
I have to play badminton in the evening. I mean, I have what do you call the competition I'm in. Let's hope that I'll do good. And I know I'm going to do good because I've been practicing for that. But keeping that aside, what are we going to talk about? Yeah, the whole experience was so good because I sold something for the first, not the first time, it's the second time. And it felt very nice because it's my own thing. And of course, it had all of my parents' efforts. They did a lot and उनके बिना ही नहीं हो जाता. And मैंने पूरा sold out. Not sold out, I have many things left, but that's okay because no loss. I don't have any negative effect because I'll have it at dinner. So that is it. That's the end of the vlog. So I hope you guys loved it. And I'll add another clip because I'll add the total profit. I'll calculate everything. So that is it. I hope you loved this. Guys, so I got home after playing badminton. I did play good, but I could not win, or like, you know, I failed the first round, but it's okay. It's all a part of the game. Never mind. And then now I found out the, what you call, the profit, the loss, the statement and all of that. I'll flip the camera. This is the total income and this is the total whatever I sold today. And the total income was 1,140, and if you consider all of the overhead charges and all of that, it comes to 752. So if I add all of it and minus it from the total expenses, it's 388. So I would say for a beginner and for a stall for the first time, 388 is a good profit considering the fact that I did not have any extra income. These could be considered, like these are all like not necessary. This was not necessary, but I still made it. And these were necessary, but you could, you could consider it. But this is the, and 400 is a very good rate. I'm impressed. Now the main character, the person behind everything. That's Amma, and we made it happen. Or like she and Appa made it happen, and I did help a lot. Okay, so no, okay, don't look at her reaction. I made the panakam by myself. I have the what do you call the video proof, and I didn't sell it. Like I presented it nice, and my outfit was also giving. So it was a very wholesome thing, and I'm very happy about the outcome, and I'm very happy that I made this a successful event. It was not necessarily the profit was not the main thing, but what do you call, the experience was so fun, and the serving, it was like it gave me a cater vibes, and it was so nice. I've always been wanting to be, like a cater in something in food industry, and this was a start to it, and it was a good experience, and I'm very glad that our college did something very interesting this year. So that is it for today. That is it. That is the end of the me becoming an entrepreneur Idli Akka vlog, and that is it. See you guys soon. Bye bye. Spread love.